First mover Americas, BTC holds $26K, Hedera's HBAR jumps. The latest price moves in crypto markets in context for September 14, 2023. This article originally appeared in First Mover, CoinDesk's daily newsletter putting the latest moves in crypto markets in context. Subscribe to get it in your inbox every day. Latest prices, top stories. Bitcoin rose slightly on Thursday as traders digested concerns of a ruling in the FTX court case that temporarily spooked markets earlier this week. BTC added less than 1% over the past 24 hours to trade over $26,300 at the time of writing. Hedera Hashgraph HBAR and Solana's SOL led gains amongst major tokens, rising 6% and 3%. Hedera announced on Wednesday at Token 2049 in Singapore that Stablecoin Studio, its open-source stablecoin issuance and management toolkit, is live. The CoinDesk Market Index CMI, a broad-based index that tracks the prices of hundreds of tokens, rose 1.67% in the past 24 hours. Crypto exchange FTX can sell and invest its crypto holdings to pay back creditors, a judge in the U.S. Bankruptcy Court for the District of Delaware ruled Wednesday. In a court hearing, Judge John Dorsey said he approved the motion and overruled 2 objections that were made opposing the plan. This allows the bankrupt exchange to sell, stake, and hedge its crypto holdings, which it said are worth over $3.4 billion. An attorney representing the ad hoc committee of FTX customers supported the plan during the hearing, while a lawyer for the unsecured creditors committee said all of the involved parties look to expedite the process. The sooner we can get this process rolling, the better, he said. Singapore's financial regulator issued a 9-year prohibition order against the founders of Three Arrows Capital, prohibiting them from operating in the country's regulated financial services industry. Suju and Kyle Davies will be prohibited from performing any regulated activity and from taking part in the management of, acting as a director of, or becoming a substantial shareholder of any capital market services firm. MAS says the prohibition order comes after the regulator began investigating Three Arrows Capital after it reprimanded the fund in June 2022 for providing false information to the public and the role Zhu and Davies played in Three Arrows Singapore and British Virgin Island entities. Chart of the day. The chart shows open interest in perpetual futures contracts tied to Solana SOL. Open interest refers to the number of contracts active at a given time. Open interest has jumped 35% to a 2-month high of 16.25 million SOL in 1 week. The surge, representing an influx of money in the market, comes as investors brace for FTX creditor liquidations. Bankrupt exchange FTX holds around $7 billion in assets, including $1.16 billion in SOL and $560 million in Bitcoin. Source: CoinDesk trending posts. Crypto traders grow bearish as Aptos plans $103 million APT token unlock in November. Coinbase CEO confirms exchange will support Lightning, which dramatically speeds up Bitcoin payments. Crypto's interest in rates.